alarm day in row.
Wake up with your voice inside my head. I'm sleeping on your side of the bed. It don't feel like you're gone. I'm falling to pieces, wondering why we didn't stop a shot.